I'm gonna give you guys a little secret, okay? Some people don't like to use the instruments and Pro Tools, but these are the pizzicato strings. I use these in this song that I'm working on, right? So I added this plugin that you can get through my website, Fusion, okay? Just to give them a little texture, okay? So, real simple, man. I just had a couple notes here. And you see how that keeps repeating, right? And so I put that as a little filler to accent certain sections of the song, okay? So when you listen to it in context, this is what it sounds like. See that? I converted the MIDI to audio, but now I have that in context with the music. So in context. Hard.